Today we will discuss about the short notes, as I have told you, of the biological name according to kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. और फाइनली हम लोग यहाँ पे बायोलॉजिकल नेम लिखेंगे. टेक आउट योर नोटबुक्स एंड राइट इट डाउन विद मी. लेट्स बिगिन. जल्दी से मैं आपको एक बार बता दूं कि मैंने आपको पहले क्या पढ़ाया था कि स्पीसीज जो होती है बेसिक यूनिट होती है बायोलॉजिकल नेम करने के लिए. अगर हम ग्रुप ऑफ स्पीसीज को क्या बोलते थे, जेनस. एंड ग्रुप ऑफ जेनस को क्या बोलते थे, फैमिली. एंड ग्रुप ऑफ फैमिली को क्या बोलते थे, ऑर्डर. ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्डर्स को क्या बोलते थे, क्लास. ग्रुप ऑफ क्लास को क्या बोलते थे, फाइलम. इन केस ऑफ एनिमल और अगर डिवीज़न जब वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे तब हम लोग प्लांट की बात कर रहे होते हैं. एंड ग्रुप ऑफ फाइलम दैट इज किंगडम. जैसे कि मैंस के अब हम लोगों ने फाइव ऑर्गेनिज्म लिए हैं जिसमें हम लोगों को पढ़ना है डीपली. एग्जाम्पल है मैन, हाउस फ्लाई, मैंगो, वीट एंड ब्रिंजल. अब हम लोगों को ये भी जानना है कि कंपटीशन में सबसे ज़्यादा पूछा क्या जाता है. मैन के बारे में पूछा जाता है एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज मैंगो एंड वीट के बारे में पूछा जाता है. BHU हुआ, नीट हुआ एंड मैनी अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम. नाउ लेट बिगिन. अगर हम बात करते हैं मैंस के केस में तो उनका किंगडम होता है एनिमेलिया. In case of housefly, there is also animalia use. In case of mango, there is plenty use. In case of wheat, we use plenty. In case of brinjal, again use plenty. That is all about kingdom of man, housefly, mango, wheat and brinjal. Next one is phylum. If we will talk about the man, there is word use phylum. What is the phylum of man? Anyone? Comment below. There we will use chordata. In case of housefly, we use Arthropoda. In case of mango, we use division. There is angiospermy. In case of wheat, we use angiospermy again. In case of brinjal, we use again angiospermy. In case of man, the class is anyone? We use Mammalia. In case of housefly, we use Insecta. In case of mango, the class is Dicotyledone. In case of wheat, we use class Monocotyledone. In case of brinjal, we use Dicotyledone. Next is order. There is a heading order. In case of man, we use order Primata. We will talk about Now we will talk about housefly. The order is Diptera. In case of mango, we use order Sapindales. In case of wheat, we use order Poales. In case of brinjal, we use order Polymonials. In case of family, there is a heading family. In case of man, we use family what? Anyone? Hominidae. In the case of family, in the case of housefly, we use family, that is Mucidae. In case of mango, we use family Poaceae. In case of mango, we use family Anacardiaceae. In case of wheat, we use Poaceae. In case of brinjal, we use family Solanaceae. In case of genus, there is a heading genus. What is the genus of man? I have told you in the previous lecture. Anyone? There is a genus is Homo. In case of housefly, there is a genus Musica. In case of mango, we use Magnifera. In case of wheat, we use genus Triticum. In case of brinjal, we use Solanum. Now there is a heading species. In case of human, we use Sapiens. In case of housefly, we use Domestica. As I have told you in the previous lecture, species, the first lecture of species, we start with small letter, that is small letter. Then we will discuss about the mango. What is the species of mango? Anyone? Indica. In case of wheat, we use Estivum. In case of brinjal, we use Melongena. Now there is complete. Now we will discuss scientific name. As we are going to write, in case of man, there is a scientific name is Homo sapiens. In case of housefly, underlined with separately. In case of housefly, there is Musca domestica. Separately underlined. In case of mango, we use Mangifera indica. In case of wheat, we use Triticum aestivum. Underline separately. In case of brinjal, we use Solanum melongena. Now there is complete whole description about scientific name. Now write it down in on your notebook. And students, if you are new member to visit channel, hit the like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. In that we will meet soon. Now thank you and nice to meet you.